And in that period of time, I mean, inside of your brain and what you were thinking, were you thinking this is a field hospital, this is a war, this is a short event? I mean, what was your mindset for, how long did you think this was going to go on for?
Well, all of the above was going through my mind. Certainly, we had no idea. The first day we had our masks on, literally in the middle of a tent, deciding the best process to roll this out. And it was cold that day. We didn't know what to expect, but we continued to plug along. But we honestly, in March of last year, I didn't think that almost a year later we would still be as deeply involved as we are. I don't think anyone really expected us to be at this point almost a year later. And now our role with the vaccines is huge for our community. So we're going to continue to plug along as long as it takes. And that's one thing. Most of us healthcare workers have not been able to get back to any sort of normalcy in their lives. It's hard for my family and friends to understand that they may have had COVID and they're a little laxed and they're going back out to restaurants and they're going to weekend trips, but it's hard for us because we still live it 7 days a week. Like, the community doesn't see what's inside our testing trailers, the gymnasiums for vaccines, the walls of the hospital. They don't see what we see every day. It wears on you a little bit, So 7 days a week since March 18th has been COVID.